In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default shipping address on Amazon using the desktop website. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're moving to a new place or simply want to ensure your packages arrive at the right location. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon's website. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your account. You can do this by clicking on Sign In, generally located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials as you usually would, and you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage. Now, with Amazon's homepage in front of you, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. For this, hover over or click on Account and Lists, which you'll see at the top right of the page. This will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there you want to click on Your Account. This will take you to a new page, the hub of all your account settings and preferences. Once you're in your account settings, look for the section labeled Your Addresses. Sometimes you might see this as Manage Address Book. Click on this link and it will bring you to a page displaying all the delivery addresses you've saved in your Amazon account. Here, you can see each address you've used or added over time. If your goal is to change an existing address, find the address you want to update in your list. Underneath this address, there's an Edit button. Click on that and you'll be able to modify the details. Update the necessary fields, and don't forget to hit Save once you've finished. Alternatively, if you want to add a completely new address instead of modifying an existing one, look for the Add Address button. Click it, and you'll be presented with empty fields to fill in. Enter all the required details for your new address. It's a straightforward process, so follow the prompts to complete it. Now here comes the crucial part: setting your default address. Whether you've edited an existing address or added a new one, you'll see an option that says, "Make this my default address," or something similar. It's usually a checkbox. Make sure to check this option. Setting a default ensures that future orders will automatically be sent to this chosen address unless you specify otherwise during checkout. Finally, once you've checked that box, make sure to save your changes. This confirmation is essential so you don't leave any steps unfinished. And just like that, you've successfully updated your default shipping address on Amazon. Remember, keeping your address details up to date is a great way to avoid any delivery mishaps and ensures your packages find their way to you promptly. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.